Well, the winter's pretty much wrapped up, and so it probably got maybe this weekend coming that we might be able to get out on the snow a little bit. But the question is, what are you going to do when winter ends? I know what I'm going to be doing, but I'm not sure what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to continue to ride. As you can see, I've got a couple of different rides in front of me here. One is the Arbor 46-inch longboard pintail, which is a fun board. I've ridden this board for a number of years now. It is not a fast turning board. It is a long, slow turning board with the concave deck through the middle, which helps you to tip a little bit, but it's a little bit unstable, being that it's a top-mounted setup for the trucks and the wheels. That causes me a little bit of instability. And at my age, instability is not a cool thing. So I've ventured out to kind of a new ride, which is the Land Yacht 38 Drop Cat with the through deck mount. It also has a concaveness in it, but also has a huge amount of rocker throughout the board, which adds stability to the board when standing on it, which I'll demonstrate later in the video. So anyhow, so let's go over a couple of specifications on the two boards. So you can see one is a pintail, that is the Arbor pintail bamboo. I'll go ahead and look at the front trucks here and see the width. It's about 9 inches across the width of the trucks for the wheels. Let's come over here to the Land Yacht, and we're setting it almost 10, 9 3/4. So that extra width gives me a lot of stability in balance from side to side. We'll measure the Land Yacht from the center to the ground. So stepping down, you're only stepping down about 2.5 inches from the ground for a foot slide, which makes braking much easier. Coming across to the Arbor pintail, you can see that I'm at almost 5 inches there. That's quite a drop. It's almost like stepping down a set of steps on a landing, and that causes you to have to really reach for the ground. So a slide stop with your foot will be much more difficult. I'll be riding something with obviously all of the appropriate gear: the helmet, the wrist pads, the knee pads, the gloves, etc. Because concrete is obviously not as friendly as snow. For those of you who've been out there playing that arena, I'm a little old to be making contact with the concrete, but I'm willing to take the opportunity to let the wheels roll and let it fall where it falls, but I'll be wearing protection, so I suggest the same for you. A few of people that we were riding with have already gone back to California and other places, and you can catch Akiko out on Instagram, and you'll find her on a longboard. So a lot of us are going to ride, no matter what we have to ride, in order to be rolling down that hill getting ready for next winter. I hope this improves my range of motion up and down, etc. And if you guys are willing, get out there and get rolling too, and help yourself along with movement for boarding next winter. Hope you guys like this. Stay with us and get ready for more.